So guys, I'm finally done with the disassembling of the head, at least for now, and I can get it machined and straightened. I'm going to refit the valves afterwards, and I'm going to replace the seals on top of the valves. There are these little rubber things, elements that are sealing the on the top of the valves. I have replaced them once, but I'm gonna do this once more, just in case, and I'm gonna refit the valves once again. Then I'm gonna start to reassemble the head, but this is gonna be for now. I'm gonna get this cleaned and prepared for assembly. So this is gonna be all for now. Thank you for watching. You can consider subscribing, sharing, commenting on the video if you enjoy this content. Check out some of my other videos and stay safe, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.